Three. Is this thing going? Is this thing going? Okay. Okay. Hello there. Do you want to win a free Xbox? Well, make sure you comment down below. Actually, psych, I'm not giving away no Xboxes. You really just had me look at this commercial for nothing? Pretty much. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, just so y'all know, I'm a part of Minecraft. And I'm still gonna kill you. What? Why you wanna kill me? Cause you just made me spend all my money and made me subscribe for nothing just so I can do this. That's my fault. How? Cause you're a stupid nit. Ooh, you lucky. Ooh. But still, you're just stupid. Hacha, he murdered me. Murderer alert. Murderer alert. Oh. Die, and I'm still gonna murder you. Wow. He just got through all the way across the floor. Ouch. You think I'm done with you? No, but I'm not yet. You should never mess with me, or you might end up like him. Dead, cold-blooded, not so happy with your life. So don't end up like him. Don't end up like who? You. Or that might happen to you. Or maybe this might happen to you if you don't shut your mouth. Ow. I killed him. Oh, do you guys like my hair? It's fresh, ain't it? Yeah. Just got it cut yesterday. But still, you don't want to end up like this dude. He's a racist nigger. You're racist. You the one that called. Wait. I'm orange. Actually, I'm tan. And you're yellow. Exactly. So you can't be talking. But I'm talking right now. Actually, you're not. Yes, I am. Keep talking smart with me, young man. I'm gonna kick your butt. Do it. Just do it. Want me to slice your head off? Do it. Do it if you dare. Okay. Oh. Oh! He actually sliced my head off. Oh. The head's right here. Oh my gosh. I told you. Don't mess with me. Mess with me, you might end up like him. Are you stupid? Cause guess what? Guess what? I can put my head back together. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So now it's pretty much your turn to die. But my sword is more powerful. It's more powerful. And my sword can kill you with one cut. See?